Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable adapt sound on your Samsung Galaxy or Android phone. So do a swipe up and find settings and open it. Then scroll down a bit to where you find sounds and vibration, tap on that. Scroll down a bit again to where you'll find sound quality and effects. You want to tap on that as well. And at the bottom there you see adapt sound, so you can simply toggle that on. And as you can see there in blue it says under 30 years. Now if you tap on that, you will realize that you have more options. You can simply go ahead and tap on allow to allow it. Now you have more information. So what this actually does, this adapt sound, it actually, as the description said, that adjust sound gives you the perfect sound that tune just for your ears. It works whenever you're wearing your headphones. Just a point to note, choose a preset that match your age or take a hearing test and create your own personal profile. All right, so as you can see, they have a few profile here. You have the 30 years, you have the under 30 years, you have the 30 to 60, and you also have over 60 years. Now you can simply tap on that and you can have more information. You can preview what each of those sound like, so you can go ahead and try that. But these three pre-test is actually something useful that you can just use. But if you want a more personalized one, then you can click add personalized sound profile, right? And from here, as you can see, all you have to do is just go to a quiet place. You need to get your earphones or your headphones, let's say, and then you want to also close all your media. Just test your hearing. You will need to do the test, and once you do the test, you just need to simply go ahead and click on start and then follow the instructions on the screen. So very useful stuff there and very straightforward, so you can go ahead and do the personalized one. I would suggest that you do the personalized one because this would be perfect for you, because even though you have these three generic one, they're pretty wide and you might not find them, let's say, detailed to the way you like. So it's better to do the personalized sound profile because that will be tailored specifically for you. And that's how you go ahead and turn this on, guys. That's how you go ahead and turn it on, right? So you can also tap on adapt sound for, and you can tap media and call, and you can just specify what you want it here. You can have media and call, you can have it only for media, or you can have it only for calls. But obviously you will have it for media and call, as you will get more options that you can use here. So you can use it for apps, you can use it for music, you can use it for whatever your calls, whatever it might be that you need to hear or use the sound, then this will be perfect for you because it will be incorporated, right? So that's how you go ahead and use adapt sound, guys. Very easy and very simple.